So guys, Deeter Plays and Seth are doing a live stream giving away the admin, the dev, and the video star items. They have the pizza launcher, and I just got in after about an hour waiting and watching this stream. I'm pretty hyped because I actually get to get the items that I said was hard. That I said was the hardest event in Roblox. Well, it turned out some awesome people like Seth and Deeter Plays are doing live streams, public servers, giving away the items. So thank you, Deeter Plays. Thank you, Seth and but I finally in. So okay, I just got the purple party throw. Seth just gave me the purple party throw. Thank you, Seth. So now we need the MoHawk and Disco. So we're in this. So let's say Disco. 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 Okay, I just got the pizza MoHawk. Disco. I want to load in so I get to see Deeter Plays, boys.
That would be so awesome. Good check. Be like, if you have all these badges, boom.
Come on, wait, load that data. I want to see Deeter. Let's see if I can find myself in this stream.
Let's just actually make it to where they load in and oh, this guy actually loaded in. I'm seeing a couple turtles. There's a couple people that are loading in.
Can't find myself.
I'm gonna name my turtle.
I'm somewhere here, guys.
Thank you for 3 snaps, and I'm still on in the first place gamer. Oh, that must be a lot. I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. Thanos snap. Wonder if I should go bounce around public servers. Maybe I can both do that. Like find servers that like don't have a lot of people. Okay, guys. Let's see. So do you have your follow on so people can follow you in games?
I might have got all the items and some Disco. Disco.
Yeah, or even just during the stream.
And I'll show you guys the items after.
Or even during the event, man, because if you pop into a bunch of stuff, you'll have so many people following you. Like, there's probably several people right now on your profile trying to follow you, whatever game you're in. Yeah, just refreshing. I know there is mine, dude. Like, I can reset a server and only post the link in my group when I'm not even streaming, and like it'll like start filling up right away.
Me with Disco. Come on, Deeter.
I bad, though, because I know there's so many people waiting to try to get this, item, and I want to make sure everybody gets it.
I'm gonna go check if I got it yet.
Try getting into a new server, into a public server. We'll see if they're all updated at this point, as far as what we can. I highly doubt it. We're definitely gonna probably land on some older servers. But, you know what, those are working. Yeah.
I'm still loading.
Alright, here's one. I'm going to go in one. It's got 4 people in it.
Finally.
His name is Deeter Plays, so follow me via my user guide. Via my username. So are we trying to link up?
Okay, Seth already left.
Well, I would say if you can follow me in, you should, but I'm thinking that'd be impossible. So we could probably...
Is that it? Yeah, that's sad. We're all...
both going in.
Dude, Seth and Deeter just left. Oh my